Hello guys, today Dubstechnology Present with another video. So I have been looking at the Zenfone 5, the middle of a range of 3, Zenfone 4, Zenfone 5 and Zenfone 6. The number in the name denotes the phone's screen size. The diminutive Zenfone 4 is the smallest, cheapest, and least powerful of the three. Its two larger siblings have quite similar specifications, but on paper, the Zenfone 6 has the best camera and fastest performance. The design of the Zenfone range is at first rather traditional and staid, but look a little deeper and there is an awful lot to like. The textured plastic underneath the capacitive buttons has a circular pattern to it, not unlike the back of an ASUS laptop, and the light shines off it in interesting patterns. It is never distracting when using the phone, but it adds a little interest to an otherwise fairly plain front. Those capacitive buttons are in the correct order for an Android phone, although I would prefer them to be on screen. The biggest problem with the buttons is that they are spaced too far apart, and they are not backlit. That lack of backlighting is the first clue that this is a budget phone. On the Zenfone 5 there is a very bright and sharp 5-inch 1920x1080 pixel screen. It is fair to say that the bezels to the sides of the screen are a bit too large though. If you have used any other ASUS 5-inch screened phone, this one is basically the exact same size. There is a 2MP front-facing camera, proximity sensor, light sensor and notification LED above the screen. A complete array of sensors is nice to see, as the cheaper Zenfone 4 does not have the light sensor and therefore has no auto brightness. The back of my review Zenfone 5 is finished in this rather fetching red, but it's also available in purple, white, and black. ASUS says the back feels like ceramic. It doesn't. It feels like what it is, fairly basic plastic. This is not really a criticism of the material. At this price point ASUS has done well to make the phone as sturdy as this. The biggest problem with the back is how prone to fingerprints it is. The 8MP camera with LED flash is mounted above the ASUS logo with a wide speaker grill beneath that Intel Inside logo. Thanks for watching. So always stay tuned with new videos from our channel. Let's subscribe and share, my friends. Cause you all the best.